Hi guys, just wanted to do an update on the yard. Oh, excuse me. So this this is what we've got done so far. We had to put a perimeter drain in because the basement keeps flooding. So we get this side done. I still have to edge all of it. I think we're going to continue with the white bricks all around to keep the grass from growing in and stuff. And then that continues all the way around the house. And then back here, we worked on yesterday. So here's the trench and the piping. We got to get more rock. We're all out of rock. But we filled in this part yesterday all the way down to the corner of that screen house down there. We brought this soil up a little bit. And back here too, we had a low spot, so we raked that out. I still got to work on it a little bit. I pooped out yesterday. We trimmed some trees out front. And here's the new flower bed. It's going to go back to that temporary fence there. So, still got some work to do. I got to plant that rhododendron. We trimmed up the holly bush, that poor bush. I did a third of it this year, so next year I'll do like the height part, and then hopefully it'll fill back out. But get some hostas and fern in there. And see, I gotta transport this dirt, some of it, rake it out, and then put it in there. And then more rocks for my wall. And let's go up front. I put this bread out for the chippies and the squirrels, and the dogs keep stealing it. I'm like, you're not a bird. Crazy dogs. So, let's walk up front. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. So we added more soil back here. This will have a privacy fence, which I'm going to start collecting sun and moon plaques to put on it. I thought that would be really pretty. I got that idea from Willowwind the Thrifty Witch. We went down to New York for tarot stock. That was really fun. I absolutely love everybody I met. Oh my goodness. So this is one of the driveways. It needs more rock, obviously. And then this side is going to be all stone also. We did the perimeter drain in there. And this needs more rock too. Here's part of it. And yeah. So then on the other side, let's see if I can get over here. Ugh. Okay. My poor lawn, look at it. Oh my God. And then this is going to be a raised bed. It doesn't look like much right now, but we got an azalea bush that's in full bloom that's absolutely not planted. The poor thing's probably going to go into shock, but hopefully it has enough dirt base. And so we're going to mulch it and do the lawn fabric. I mean the, you know what I mean. Weed fabric. And then put flat slate pieces along the side and plant like moss or a creeping phlox or something like that on the side. So that'll be really pretty. I'll update that. And then in between these two trees, I think we're going to do a swing. Just a bench that swings. That's the other side of the perimeter drain we got to finish. And yeah, I did not pick this house color. I mean, it's alright, but it's just not me. I want like a taupe with maybe like a Wedgwood blue trim color, or for the shutters. I don't know. So yeah, we got a lots to do, but it's coming along, slow but steady. All right, see you guys later. Bye.